Tired of that boring default avatar in Pipedrive? You know the one. Just a gray silhouette or maybe an old photo you don't love anymore. It makes the whole account feel a little impersonal, a little unprofessional. Let's swap it for something that actually looks like you in under a minute. Seriously, it's that quick. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. We'll open your settings, pick a new picture, crop it to fit just right, and save it. By the end of this, you'll have a polished, professional profile picture that represents you. Let's start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Go ahead and open Pipedrive in your browser. Once you're in, look at the very top right corner of the screen. See your current avatar there? It might be your initials or that generic default icon. Click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Personal Preferences. This is where all the account settings live. Now, once the Preferences window opens, make sure you are on the Account tab. It should be the first tab at the top. Click it if you're not already there. This is important because the Profile Picture option only shows up on this tab. Scroll down the page a little bit. You're looking for the section that says Picture. Sometimes it's labeled Choose Picture. Either way, it's right there in the middle of the account settings. Click that Choose Picture button. Your computer's file browser will pop up. Now, this is where you get to pick the photo. I'd recommend choosing a clear, well-lit headshot, something where your face is easily visible. Nothing too busy in the background. Just a simple, professional photo works best. Go ahead and select the image from your computer and click Open. Once you do that, you'll see the image start to upload. Give it a moment. The upload bar might appear and fill up. This usually only takes a few seconds, but just let it finish. After the upload is complete, Pipedrive might prompt you to adjust or crop the picture. You'll see a square crop frame over your image. You can drag the corners to resize it, or click and drag the image itself to reposition it. Try to center your face in the frame. And here's a tip. Keep the crop tight around your head and shoulders. That way it looks great in the small circle icon that shows up everywhere. Once you're happy with how it looks, click the Save button, or it might say Apply. Click that. Then Pipedrive will process the change. This might take a second or two, so just hang tight while it finishes uploading and saving. Now for the satisfying part. Look back up at the top right corner of your Pipedrive screen. Your new profile picture should be there. And it's not just there, it will now show up across your entire account, in deal views, in activity logs, in any notification. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how professional your account feels. And that's it. You've gone from a generic default avatar to a personalized, professional photo that actually represents you. It's one of those tiny tweaks that takes almost no time, but instantly makes your Pipedrive account feel more polished. Go ahead and enjoy your new look.